Do you remember your first day of school? Or your first job? Or when you moved into a new neighborhood and you didn't know anybody? Do you remember those little feelings, those little murmurings of being a little insecure, a little like, I wonder what's going to happen next? Yeah, well, it happens to everybody. So here's the cool thing. We're going to be talking about casual conversation today. Why? Because whatever you're doing casually, same muscles as when the stakes are really high. An important conversation, an important speaking event. So let's take the example of welcoming new people. Now, just like the golden rule reminds us, you do unto others as you would have them do unto you. If you've ever experienced being awkward like that, first day of school, don't know if anyone's going to like you, it's really weird, you don't know what to do. Well, I want you to flip the script. I want you to look for opportunities to welcome people. I want you to look for ways that you can be proactive in your communication to make somebody feel better. So let's say with your work, and now maybe you aren't in charge of the welcome wagon at work, but you've realized that there's a new employee that's somewhere, on your floor. I want you to go out of your way, even though it's not part of your job description or maybe hadn't thought of it before, but I want you to take proactive steps to introduce yourself by greeting somebody in a warm manner, by just sharing your name, by asking them some questions, maybe thinking about how you wish, information that you wish that you had, and then giving it freely. See, when you do that, when you start to step in the way you wish that people would have treated you, you start to change things. You start to make people feel better, and you start to step into a new, positive, confident version of yourself. Welcoming new people is a terrific opportunity to practice this. Whether it's a new person at your job, or you're just meeting somebody new at a networking event, or you're talking to somebody new in line at a coffee shop, same stuff. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And guess what? You'll also start to notice that people are responding to you a little bit differently. Funny, but it works. So try that. When we get comfortable speaking in casual conversations, again, we are prepared for the big time. So practice now. Make somebody's day. It'll feel great for both you and for them.